What's up, everybody? Happy Easter Sunday to you. We're over here wrapping up on the contract grind project. Aaron's got the rig over here. We've got our Rotochopper all loaded up, about to hit the highway and head back to the landfill. Looks like they even got her all washed up for us. And Rotochopper came out with this version of the B66 that has the dolly behind it. So it makes it transport super easy. That dolly just slips in right behind her, lifts the tracks up, and we're about to hit the highway. Hey, Ron, what's happening, Hoodlum?
Man, we out here doing dangerous things.
I know it. Hood rat stuff.
Hood rat. Outlaw shit.
There you go. Sunday afternoon type stuff. Man, you ain't playing around today. I was only 5 minutes behind you, and you done got her hooked up, lifted up, ready to roll.
Get this over with.
I'm with you. But we'll ride in front of you and be your escort in the front.
Yeah, if you stay one exit ahead, then that'll give me an option to dodge.
We'll do that, and I guess we're just gonna, to get the drone footage, we're just gonna pull over on the side of the highway.
Yeah, you have to boogie on ahead or something, get off on the 25 exit maybe.
Yeah.
Coming down the ramp. I'll be there for a minute.
Okay. Well, I wanted to get you crossing the river.
Oh, coming in Georgia, yeah?
Yeah, so we're just gonna pull over.
Yeah, once you get away from the airport.
Yeah. Well, guys, we got her back here safe and sound to the landfill. So uneventful trip, which is what we was aiming for. Got a lot of wood stockpiled up while we was gone for, I guess we was gone probably about 2 weeks on that job. A lot of slabs from my cousin's sawmill right here have stacked up on us, and then a lot of other just logs and yard clearing debris that we stockpiled up. I'm glad to see that stockpile, because usually we've got some mountains of mulch right out here, but again, we're right in the middle of mulch season and it has been moving out. So Jackson's over there flying his drone around a little bit more, playing around. The weather's been crazy lately. We've had a tremendous amount of rain, as you can tell by the puddles. So tomorrow's Monday. We're gonna get out here, start grinding back up, and see if we can't get our piles built out, because the calls are still coming in for mulch. And if y'all can hear that crazy drone up there, That thing is so fast. We had to pull over on the side of the interstate in order to film Aaron crossing over I-20. So hopefully that footage turns out pretty good. But it looks like the boys have been screening up a little bit with our edge trommel right here. And our other Rotochopper, the smaller one that you see in the distance, if y'all can see that, is our MC266. That one's about a 600 horsepower grinder, and so she's been holding down the fort while we were gone, helping to keep the green waste ground up, and of course just color the mulch too. So thank goodness we've got two of them, because we wouldn't have been able to keep up if we didn't. We've got some of our compost windrows you see there in the distance. They are still in the active stage, breaking down. A couple of them right there, 1, 2, 3, there's probably 10 of them over yonder. And what'll happen is, as they break down, then we'll run them through the edge trommel screen and let them age, and then they'll be ready to go in our compost blend and ready to be sold. Got a pretty good sized pile of chips right here. This is going through the primary grind. There goes that drone again. Then what we'll do is we'll rerun it through the 266 and add the dye to it, and we'll either turn it red like you see what we've got just a little bit over there, or cherry brown or black or some other color. And over here is our little, I say little, this is still a decent sized grinder. This is the MC266, first grinder that we ever bought. Been a really good one for us. We've had it for a few years now, and it's just been an awesome little machine. Easy to move around and does a great job of coloring all of our mulch. And if you can hear those little birds in the background, those are killdeers, and they nest all in this area, and they are not liking Jackson fly that drone around. That boy's crazy with that thing. I don't know how in the world he don't run into stuff, but he just flew it underneath that Volvo excavator right there. If that boy hits me, we're gonna be he's gonna have some trouble. Well guys, hope y'all enjoyed that short little video of us moving our Rotochopper around and getting it back here to the landfill. We're gonna be back to work again tomorrow, grinding up some of this material. So do us a favor, hit that like and subscribe down there. We appreciate you. We'll see you on the next video.